Hey everybody, got another hard reset. Today we're going to do the Samsung Galaxy A30s. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is, if you do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete everything off the phone. So if you don't have anything on here important, it's going to get deleted. Just a reminder. And if you guys could subscribe, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up and we would appreciate it. But let's jump right into this. First thing we want to do is make sure the phone's off, which it is. You have your volume up, volume down, and power right there. And what we want to do is hold volume up and then hold power. When the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding the volume up button. There it goes. From here, you want to use your volume buttons to scroll, your power button to select. Oops, sorry about that. Lighting over here is pretty crazy right now. Let's scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button. Hit yes, confirm. Now it's deleting. Now it's done. And from here, I can either reboot or power off. And in this case, I'm just going to power off the phone. If you reboot the phone, it will load to the welcome screen, and you can set up the phone how it was new. So that is how we do a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy A30s. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, if you could like, subscribe, share, all that wonderful stuff, definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.